We'll guide you through how to use the YouTube Music app. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube Music. So YouTube Music is essentially focusing on the music side of YouTube. So it's a great way, and this could be your go-to music player really, as there's a huge selection of music on here. So let's go and get started. So as you can, at the moment we're on the homepage. The homepage is going to go and get better the more you go and use YouTube Music. It's going to go and give you your quick pick, so music it thinks you're going to want to listen to. And you can go and swipe across here and go and see more. If you go and look at the top, you can go and filter for podcasts and different categories as well, like energize, feel good, workout, relax, party, and more. In the top right, you can go and access notifications. You can go access the search and access your account here as well. When you click on account though, you can go and access some useful things. For example, your settings here, which can be useful to go and access if you need. Next, at the bottom, you're going to have the player. So if I go and start playing a song, for example, I could go and click on this one here. Because I'm using the free version of this, there are ads. If you go and have YouTube Premium, there aren't going to be ads. So that's when you go and pay every month. So you just need to go and wait for them to go and complete. At the top, you can switch between the song and the video, which is cool. You need to have YouTube Premium for that. You can stream to other devices in the top right. You can then come down here. You can like it, dislike it, check the comments, save it to a playlist. I'll cover that more in a moment. Share it, download it, and mix it as well. Here you can go and choose if you want to how you want it to go and be shuffled or not. You can go and play or pause, of course, go back, go forward, and go and choose if you want to loop it. See up next, lyrics and related as well at the bottom. And then of course you can play it to go and hear how it sounds. Now what we can do is I want to show you how you can go and make playlists, but I'll cover that in a moment. So we can then close that by swiping down. At the bottom, you've got samples. So samples is cool. Essentially, you can swipe through and go and see sort of samples of music and the videos. And it can be a cool way of discovering new music. It's almost like YouTube Shorts in a way where you can swipe through. You've also got Explore, so you can go and start finding more music and you can see new releases, the charts, music genres and podcasts. And you can scroll down here and see more as well. Then you've got library. So library is really useful. So here you can go and start building different playlists. So for example, I could press new in the bottom right. I could go and make a playlist. You could do mix, but we're going to do a playlist. And I could then go and name this, for example, like car, my workout, sleep music. You know, you go and get the idea. You can go and name it what you want. And then go and have different music in there. So I could have my car playlist. So music when I listen to the car. You can make that a description if you want, and you can choose the privacy. I like to make this private because if it's public, anybody can search and view this. Unlisted, anyone with the link can, but private, only you can. So unlisted or private I like, unless you want other people to go and access it, of course. But you could do that with unlisted as well. Press create, and it's then going to go and make it. As you can see, you can edit the icon by pressing that there, and I could choose from my library, take a photo, create with AI. I could choose from here, press allow access, and press allow full access. I could scroll down and go and find an image I want to go and use. But now we can add a song. So I can press add a song and I can then start searching for songs. So I could type in Drake or Dave or whatever I want really. So let's go and say I want to go and add this song. I could go and press the add button to the right and that'll then go and it'll go and say save to car. I can press back and it's now in there. You can add more by pressing add a song, and YouTube are also going to go and give you suggestions, as you can see. Which is cool, and you can then tap them to go and play them, and you can go in and add it by pressing the add button to the right. And if you go and say find a song here you want to add from quick picks, you can go and click on it, and you can then scroll along here and press save, and it's actually going to automatically save it to car. But if that's the wrong playlist, you just press change in the bottom right, and then I could go and add it to a different one. So I could go and create a new one or choose one I actually want to go and add it to, which is really cool. And so we can then press library again. We'll just come back to the playlist. With YouTube Premium, you can go and download it, meaning you can go and listen to it offline, which is useful. You can edit it, play it, and you can also go and share it as well. So to make it shareable, I need to make it public or unlisted. And you've got the three dots to the right, and you've got these different options here as well. So I could shuffle it, I could delete it, and you can go through there and do what you want to with it. So that's it. That is how you can go and use the YouTube Music app. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to help you again. Have a great day. I'll catch you again soon.